Today, we'll discuss Sofi Technologies and Palantir Technologies and analyze 3 articles. The first article, titled Sofi to Participate in the Upcoming Investor Conference, will provide us with the latest news updates about Sofi's future plans and upcoming catalysts that could positively impact the company's overall share price. Palantir Technologies and its recent stock value drop of 9%. We'll also look at the reasons behind Morgan Stanley's reduction of the overall price target and prediction for the company. Even though there was a downgrade, institutional investors such as Cathie Wood of ARK Invest showed interest in Palantir, purchasing around $10 million worth of its shares. If you have any suggestions for more videos about Sofi Technologies, Palantir Technologies, or any other stock, please leave a comment below. Make sure to watch until the end to learn about the latest stock catalysts that could make you wealthy. Sofi Technologies is a digital bank that operates as a fintech or financial technology company. The Sofi share price is currently at $8, with some analysts predicting that it could drop down to $3, while others believe it could increase to $16 within the following year. Sofi Technologies has recently announced that its CEO, Anthony Noto, will be participating in an upcoming investor conference. This conference will be a live-streamed fireside chat as part of the Gold Asia Plus Technology Conference. The purpose of the discussion is to talk about the future of the company. If you are interested in learning more about Sofi Technologies, you should participate in the conference, which will air on September 6, 2023 at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can find the podcast link by visiting Sofi Technologies' Investor Relations website. This is a positive news development for the company, and I am excited to hear from their CEO during the fireside chat. Let's dive into Palantir Technologies, identified by the ticker symbol PLTR. It is a company that provides big data and analytics services to both commercial enterprises and government clients. Recently, Palantir has been in the news because of a 9% drop in its stock price following a price target cut by Morgan Stanley. Currently, Palantir's shares are trading at around $15 per share. Analysts have a bearish outlook on this company, with some predicting its worth as low as $5 per share. On the other hand, optimists believe that Palantir could be worth as high as $25 per share, according to a 5-star analyst. Now, PLTR's volatile overall share price isn't anything new. However, this volatility was increased after Morgan Stanley downgraded their shares to an underweight rating for Palantir stock. However, despite decreasing their overall rating to underweight, they decreased their price target from $8 per share to $9 per share over the next 12 months. The main reason for this downgrade was concerns about their premium valuation, which I have talked about a multitude of times in previous videos. Essentially, they believe that this creates an unfavorable risk-to-reward ratio. Investors must be cautious when investing in the stock, as the analysts have given it a $9 price target. Based on management's comments, they predict delays for the Palantir AIP platform to generate substantial revenues. However, I disagree that the platform will have monetization issues because management has stated that AIP has a huge addressable market they are trying to break into. AIP stands for their artificial intelligence platform. The analysts also mentioned that the company may face challenges in the second half of the year. I agree with this, as there is already a revenue outlook in place, but there is expected to be an acceleration in estimated organic revenue growth. For the second quarter, the revenue growth was around 16% compound annual growth rate, and it is anticipated to increase between 19 and 20%, which is a much better CAGR. They can also maintain the CAGR from now until 2025. This will help them reduce their overall premium valuations, which was a cause of concern for analysts in their prior comments. The ratings and opinions of Palantir Technologies vary depending on the analyst or source. Hence, we should consider these ratings to create a reasonable and realistic forecast. Seeking Alpha's quant rating system gives this company a strong buy rating, which is generally entirely accurate. However, on the other hand, the average rating given by Seeking Alpha authors for Palantir Technologies is a hold. While Wall Street analysts also have an overall hold rating, most analysts and professionals have a rating on this company rather than a buy or sell rating. It is important to note that this company's share price may decrease shortly. However, this is an excellent opportunity to purchase and hold the company's shares long-term, as this is when its true potential will be revealed. Investors are overreacting to Morgan Stanley's underweight rating and low price target for Palantir Technologies. Despite the underwhelming rating, raising their price target from $8 to $9 is less harmful than some might think. Overall, this news is not significant enough to justify the drastic drop in share price. Palantir Technologies' stock value will gradually decrease, making it more appealing to investors. However, it remains a remarkable company to invest in the long run. A renowned analyst, Cathie Wood from ARK Invest, used the recent stock market instability caused by Morgan Stanley's negative rating for the company to her advantage. Palantir's shares plummeted by approximately 9%, which allowed Wood to invest around $10 million in the company. This shows that she has faith in Palantir Technologies and is making a wise investment decision. Intelligent investors often use market dips to purchase shares of fundamentally strong companies. One example is Palantir, which was added to the ARK Innovation ETF, ticker symbol ARKK, by buying 525,000 shares in a single day, collectively worth $7.9 million based on the stock price at the time of purchase. Additionally, Palantir was added to the ARK Fintech Innovation ETF, ticker symbol ARKF, with around 58,000 shares purchased, worth close to $874,000. Lastly, the ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, ARKW, also saw the addition of Palantir, with 89,000 shares purchased for just over $1.3 million. Palantir's inclusion in the ARK Fintech Innovation ETF was somewhat surprising. So, collectively, they bought around $10 million worth of Palantir Technologies, which shows that significant investors like Cathie Wood and multiple investors are betting on Palantir Technologies' long-term future. Also, pay attention to where I got this money from. And they sold some stock to buy Palantir. So that begs the question, what stock did ARK Invest sell? That would be the Shopify stock. If you didn't know, the Shopify stock surged by around 11%, to where ARK Invest took profits on that surge, selling around 126,000 shares worth of Shopify stock in their ARK Innovation worth around $8.4 million. On top of that, they also sold from their Fintech ETF to where they offloaded 14,000 shares worth $911,000. And then lastly, for their Next Generation Internet ETF, they sold around 20,000 shares of Shopify stock worth $1.4 million. And then collectively, that adds up to around $10.7 million. And they used that $10 million to then invest in Palantir Technologies. So just like a phenomenal trader, Cathie Wood took profits on a stock that surged in price, used those profits to then invest into a company that gaped down in price and became a better buying opportunity, such as technology PLTR stock after they gapped down by around 9% due to that downgrade from Morgan Stanley overall. This is excellent news not only for Sofi Technologies, but also for Palantir stock investors. Sofi Technologies will hold an interview and fireside chat with their CEO on September 6th, expected to be a catalyst for the company. Despite Palantir's overall share price gap down, this presents a good buying opportunity for investors and lowers their average cost. Cathie Wood of ARK Invest also purchased $10 million worth of Palantir stock while selling her Shopify stock. Overall, this news update is positive and promising. Hopefully, this episode will further help you in your investment decision. What do you think Sofi and Palantir stock? If you own them, comment money. Let us know in the comments section below. And while you're at it, make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, if you want to know more about Palantir stock, I highly recommend watching this fantastic video. Just click this video right here and enjoy. Thank you for tuning in until the end. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next one.